Hello, Etsy sellers. If you're like many of us, you're passionate about creating, but sometimes find the pricing process a little challenging. That's why I'm excited to share the profit calculator for Etsy sellers with you. This tool is all about making your life easier. It's designed to help you set the perfect price for your creations, ensuring you earn a fair profit every time. Let me walk you through how it works. So there is the extension page. I will put it in the description. First install it and, if you wish, pin it to your address bar for easy access. Now, let's open it up. This is the main interface of the application. You'll notice the extension features two modes, profit mode and price mode. Use this button to toggle between the two, depending on your needs. In profit mode, you can input your desired profit, and the calculator will determine the ideal listing price for you. For instance, if you run a pattern shop and aim to earn $5 per listing, enter 5 here. As you can see, the product price is locked because the tool will do the calculation for you. With no costs or shipping to consider, simply click the Calculate button. The extension then provides the fees you'll pay to Etsy and the retail price you should set based on the profit you've entered. And when you're looking at a specific price point, price mode helps you understand your potential profit and associated fees. Suppose you have a listing priced at $20 with a production cost of $5. The shipping fee, based on size and weight, is around $5, and you're offering a 10% shop discount. Click Calculate, and you'll see your potential profit and the Etsy fees you'll need to account for. If you'd like to include tax rates or Etsy's advertising fees, click here to adjust the calculator to align with your shop's specific requirements. So, this is the Etsy pricing calculator. It is here to support you in turning your passion into a thriving business. So why wait? Click the link to add it to Chrome and start pricing your Etsy items with confidence. Happy selling!